What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a, well, mining hardware, kind of hardware, news update. So, guys, today we are going to go over more or less some of the earnings that we've actually been getting from our Helium hotspot, our previous one that we actually got from Osprey Electronics, link to them down below, but as well, we will be looking at how much we've earned via the mobile token on Solana. We'll check those out, as well as we'll check out two more things that I'm currently interested in looking at and getting. Boom. So guys, just starting right out of the gate, we're going to start off with our IoT tokens that we've actually been earning with our OG, I would say OG, but our Osprey G1 hotspot that actually mines IoT right now. It used to mine Helium. All right, they used to mine Helium, but now they earn IoT token. As you can see, since like 7:30 this morning, we've actually been up on quite a rise. So best time to look at this now than ever, right? But as you can see, over the last 30 days, we actually haven't been earning since before December, right? I guess the device got unplugged. I wasn't really aware of it. It's kind of like was setting it to forget it and realized that it had been unplugged. So went ahead and moved it out into the mining well house, connected it to the 10 dBi antenna, and ever since then, rewards have been rocking. 181, 155, or 159, 144, 127, 155, have been over the course of the last like 14 days. All right, which has earned us about 1,700 IoT tokens currently. So if we just kind of go over to CoinGecko, we just type in 1710. I mean, that's like $3.16 over the last 14 days, which is pretty interesting. I get pretty decent rewards. I know a few people that actually have these and don't get anywhere near the rewards that I currently do. Now, I currently, according to my activity, like the last 7 days, as you can see, there's quite a bit of activity. Yesterday, it was raining most of the day. So activity I assumed would be kind of slim, right? But today, even with like the snow and the rain and like the cloudiness, it's actually been decently good today. The day before that was really good. It's been doing like pretty well. We've had a few denies. I'm assuming it's just due to like the tree lines, because I'm kind of in a valley, but kind of like halfway in the valley, right? We can even kind of look at our mobile device right here. Yeah, you should see it right about now. So as you can see, it says we have like collectibles. Currently we have 1.71k IoT and claimable rewards. So we can actually go ahead and claim that. Since your last claim, your hotspots have earned 1,710.06745 IoT. We can click add all to our account, click redeem rewards, claiming your rewards. You can exit the screen while you wait. We'll update your wallet momentarily, but as you can see, it's already claimed. So now we can go back to our claimables. We can go back to our wallet, and now we can see that we have 3,181 IoT, which is $5.90. So there's actually a poll. You should be able to find it down in the description. It'll take you, or it should be on my page. What should we turn our IoT tokens over to? I would actually be kind of curious to know what people would think of putting the IoT tokens and changing them over to. Should we change them? Should we leave them? Go to Solana? Go to HNT? Or should we go to mobile? Let me know down in the description below. I would be kind of curious to what your thoughts and opinions would be. So pretty simple on claiming those IoT rewards. Kind of like what we have going on with our Helium Hotspot, which now just earns the IoT tokens. All right, so pretty cool, pretty interesting. I mean, it gets pretty low wattage. It's almost a set and forget kind of thing. I've honestly just kind of left it alone, but according, as we've seen doing that, it got unplugged and we earned nothing for a while. So now we are back up and earning, and rewards seem to be doing pretty well since we've added the 10 dBi antenna. I've heard mixed reviews about that, but Osprey sent us that one for free, and they said that here you go. So we actually we're using it. We actually have a second one that, because it got lost, it just doesn't have the cable. So maybe we'll do a giveaway with that one if anybody wants to add a 10 dBi antenna to their device. You can also earn mobile tokens, which is right here. You earn mobile via like mapping, via the hotspots, which are the newer hotspots. These are Wi-Fi hotspots. They also have outdoor hotspots. I'm interested in buying one of these. They're actually shipping now, so now I might pull the trigger on one of these now that some things are taken care of, and I think it might be the time. And this supposedly will be able to connect our mobile device that we have Helium with on right now. We'll be able to connect to it. Maybe we'll get a little bit extra boost of rewards, and or it'll just be able to use the traffic. That way it's used by something. If not, in order to use any kind of traffic, I'm just going to connect some of the Wi-Fi miners that I have to this device, so that way it gets traffic, because it needs some sort of traffic on it. So we'll actually end up looking at getting one of these to earn more mobile tokens. But in the meantime, we've been earning mobile tokens, and thanks to anyone that's been using our referral here on the Helium mobile page in order to use or to get Helium mobile like as a service. So it cost me $20 a month to get unlimited call, text, and data on this phone. I mainly got this device just for work, so that way when I'm out and about at hotels and stuff, I don't have to worry about using my phone's data or using my phone's hotspot. I can hotspot from this and feel more safe while I'm out and about, and be able to actually play some games while I'm out. So if you guys would like Helium mobile, the link, that referral link is down below. It'll save you $5 off of your monthly bill. I'd greatly appreciate it. As you can see kind of right here, everything that it provides. All right, but it does have eSIM, so it does make it pretty easy to set up if your device does have eSIM. Pretty simple. But like I was saying, mapping rewards, you can earn Helium via mapping, which I can actually show you right here on my screen currently. There we go. As you can see right now, we've been earning mapping rewards since December 28th. They've been steadily going down because more users are on the network. All right, but there was one day where we actually didn't earn any Helium or any mobile tokens. We had 65 mapping rewards, but in order to earn mapping rewards, you have to have 5 events within 2 consecutive hours of each other. So you can have all of them, almost all of them in one turn, but they need to be within 2 consecutive hours of each other. So mapping events, I don't know what that boils down to exactly, but I know that moving or being even active, I've been in my house and just like running around the house with the baby with the phone in my pocket, and it counted as a mapping reward. I got a mapping reward. I noticed that I had 1 reward or more. Not really sure. I think it was this day where I only had 97 because I didn't really go very many places, but I was using the hotspot on this device by connecting it to another device, and I think that might count as an event. Not 100% sure on that though. But been earning rewards this entire time. As you can see today, we still have an hour left. I'm definitely earning today, and then yesterday, the day before, so on and so forth. So as it currently stands, you have to wait, I think it's 8 days in order to get your first claim, so that way you can't because people were starting the service and then waiting till they were getting enough rewards to pay for the service, and they would cancel it right before it would pay, and then rinse and repeat and just basically get free mobile tokens. So in order to stop that, they put a blocker on it where you had 7 days you had to wait to claim, and supposedly we can claim all the time after that, but it does cost us. They give us one free claim, so we have 14,878 mobile tokens currently. We can click claim all. As you can see, the cost to claim would cost us Sol, but they give us this one free, covers this fee once a week. So as long as we wait every 7 days from now on, we don't get charged a fee for moving on the Solana network, which really is not that bad. It's 0.0003 Sol. Not bad at all. We'll click claim all, and then it'll show up here on the screen once it's boom. So as you can see, we have 14,878 mobile tokens, which is worth $46.18. So 14 days that we've been mapping, and we earned $46 just from having our device on us while we're out running errands, doing random stuff. We earned 46 bucks. Now they do have this pretty cool feature, which is right here. It says pay with mobile, and you can actually use your mobile to pay for your connectivity. So you can prepay. So as you can see, you can prepay 1 month's amount with your mobile tokens, which would be 7,570 mobile as it currently stands, which is actually, pretty cool that you can actually prepay, your, that you can prepay your stuff ahead of time, especially maybe when earnings may be up. You can go ahead and prepay a little bit ahead of time. I'm going to hold these right now because I think mobile is going to continue to go up right now, especially with the way that the market is going currently, and I will maybe prepay once we get closer towards the end of the month. But I wanted to see how our first claim went, and so as you can see, we had our free claim, but we could claim probably again tomorrow if we wanted to pay the fee, which we're not. We'll just wait a few days and then maybe do our claim that day. Pretty freaking cool, guys, that we are actually able to earn with our mobile service that we are using basically just as a hotspot, right? Now, last up, we are actually currently looking at Hivemapper. So we've been looking at one for a while, but as you can see, orders placed today will be shipped May of 2024. I myself do not want to lock up $300 up until May of 2024 after having a beat of Bitcoin, so I'm not going to do that. I've been wanting one, but I can't lock up money for that amount of time, and I'm sure it'll be okay. So I've actually was reaching out and talking to Southwest IoT, and actually they gave me a shout out for mentioning them on my last live stream, just because they actually do 50-50 splits. As you can see, Suburban Crypto right there. Shout out to him for actually turning us on to this. They offer 50-50 splits for Hivemappers, and been talking with them, and we're actually going to be getting one of these from them. Some more details and stuff coming on that. But yeah, it is half of the tokens, but we don't have to wait all the way until May to get our device. With us driving to and from the farm and, driving around because, we have children and everything, missing out on rewards that we could be earning from them. So shout out to Southwest IoT in order for us to procure one of these. So more information coming out soon about that and how maybe you can get yours and links like that. So guys, that is all I got for you guys today. Somewhat simple, not so much short, but pretty much simple. And going to be an interesting way to earn in the DePin section, personally, right? We weren't intending on earning IoT. We've had our hotspot for quite some time. It's actually been over a year, I think. So for a while we were earning H&T, and then we were earning IoT, and then nothing because it was unplugged. And now we're earning an increased amount of IoT thanks to the 10 dBi antenna. We're also going to currently look at getting the mobile hotspot, putting that up here. That way it can help me increase my earnings for mobile tokens that I am earning already with my Helium device, or Helium mobile, actual like mobile plan device. Super cool, super interesting ways to earn mobile, earn IoT, and even earn honey coming up here soon on the channel. So we'll have some diversified content that's not so much GPU, FPGA, ASIC mining. Really, it'll kind of vary back into a little bit of IoT here on the channel. So be sure to check out down in the description below for that poll of what we should do with our IoT that we've been earning with our G1 hotspot. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Catch you on the next one. Much love. Peace out. And of course, stay savage. See y'all next time.
Peace.